Question is from average. Let's see how we can solve this. See, the formula of average is sum of numbers upon count of numbers. Yes. Now in this question, what is the count of numbers? 1 to 99 and y. That means there are total 100 numbers. There are total 100 numbers. And what is the sum? That we need to find out. Let's see how we can find the sum. Now there is one formula that we can use. Sum of first n natural numbers is n into n plus 1 upon 2. Correct? Now in this case, the natural numbers are from 1 to 99. The natural numbers are from 1 to 99. So sum will be n is 99. That means 99 into n plus 1. That is 99 plus 1 is 100 upon 2. Correct? If I solve this, I will get 50 over here and I'll be leaving the sum as it is 99 times 50. Okay. Now this is the sum of first 99 numbers, but we have y as well. So sum will be 99 into 50 plus y. And what is the count of number? That is 100. So sum upon 100. This will be the average. And average is 100y. This is equals to 100y. Correct? So let's solve this. If we solve this, we will get 99 times 50 plus y is equals to 10,000 y. If we solve this further, we will get 99 times 50 is equals to 9,999 y. Correct? Now we can send 9,999 on the other side and we will get 99 times 50 upon 9,999. We can solve this further. We can cancel these two numbers. We will get 101. Correct? So that means the final answer, the value of y will be 50 upon 101. The value of y will be 50 upon 101. This will be our final answer.